Proper and thorough nail preparation is a guarantee of a good result. Wipe the nail plate, clearing from grease and oils with an acetone-containing starter liquid. Wipe all corners carefully. Use a pusher to push back the proximal nail fold, opening the pocket. We do this carefully and with care to the natural nail. We begin processing with an electric file. Carefully clean the nail from the cuticle. Move with gentle short movements along the cuticle area, slightly grasping the inside of the nail fold. Brush off the dust. We change the bit to a smaller one for deeper and more gentle filing. If necessary, cut off the dry skin raised by the bit with nippers or scissors. Change the bit again. The spherical shape is ideal for smoothing the cuts. Here we continue to work with the nail folds. We carefully process the lateral and proximal fold. You don't want to return to this after material application. Continue preparing the nail for material application. First, we apply freshener dehydrator. Then we apply Ultrabond primer. It acts as a primer to help the material adhere to the nail plate. It dries on air. In case of difficult nails, broken nails or splitting, it is better to use Bondi X. Using the edge of the brush, we apply droplets pointwise to fill in small layers. This way, you won't have to file the nail too thin. Then we cover the entire nail and fix the Bondex layer in the lamp for 5 seconds. Nails are ready for material application.